It is now 6:15 on this Tuesday night. Betsy Kling's going to tell us it's going to go to summer, from summer to fall in a matter of hours.
Yeah, you're going to go from iced coffee to pumpkin spice lattes in no time. This is kind of carrying on from the 5. Anywho, over the next few hours, it's easy peasy. We have just clouds that have been rolling in recently. These mid to high level clouds will continue to thicken up, and we're expecting cloudy skies to stay with us overnight tonight. And then we kind of get into the day tomorrow. That's where things start to get interesting. So there's storms north of us tonight that may move into the area for tomorrow morning. Then things clear out, and it's when things clear out that we get some sunshine that's going to help to hoist the temperatures, and that may refresh the atmosphere, add some punch to the atmosphere, and fuel some intense thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon and possibly into the evening. Damaging wind gusts are a possibility. We can't rule out a tornado threat. Large hail is also a possibility. But one thing we do know is that if we get these thunderstorms, we will be wringing a lot of moisture out. So we have very high rain rates that will be happening. I don't know that we'll necessarily have widespread flooding, but when it's raining, it's going to be coming down, and that makes it very tricky if you're caught out on the roads. After that, though, the temperatures take a turn and fall has arrived, and it's all good after that. So these high thin clouds that we have now will just continue to stream in. You can kind of get a peek at the rain that is currently sitting in southern portions of Michigan. All of these storms fired along a boundary farther to the north of us. This is coming our way. It's fading as it does so. But look here in western Michigan, we are starting to see some more of these little isolated storms popping up. So there is some energy out there. We know that there's potential for some upgrowth to take place. And I think the best chance for the storms tonight will probably stay west of us. But that being said, as the night goes on, we may start to see some of these rumblers coming in. We have tomorrow a slight risk for severe weather. That's a 2 out of 5 risk. It's a high wind, hail, and downpours, the possibilities, but that's for all of northeast Ohio. So let me stair-step you through this forecast in your National Design Mart hour by hour. By the time we hit midnight, we're cloudy, and then by tomorrow morning, there's our scattered showers and maybe some rumbles of thunder moving through. All of this is leftovers of whatever happens tonight. So Matt's going to be watching the radar very closely at 11 o'clock tonight on what's next. He'll have a better idea of what's coming our way as we get into the start of the day tomorrow. That goes by then, and by noon, now we are basking in sunshine. At the same time, we are importing tons of humidity. Now we're heating, and we have humidity, and we have an approaching front, and that's where things get a little tricky. If we do indeed get this sunshine, we're going to have temperatures that are in the low to mid 80s by noon, and then that front gets closer to us. I stopped the clock here at 3 o'clock because notice the position of this line. If this line fires right over us, this could impact kids coming home from school. That could be a little bit of a scary situation, so definitely something to keep an eye out. We'll, of course, keep you updated tomorrow morning on GO as well. But this line of storms will be sinking south. That's the one that's going to come with the punch, the high winds and the heavy rain. But you can see we'll continue to have scattered rain showers through the rest of the evening. So I really think this fast-moving line will come through just about the time the kids are home from school, out at practice and whatnot. So focus on that. Once that line goes through, we're done. We just have a few little showers lingering late Wednesday night into Thursday morning, and Thursday's temperatures are going to be notably cooler. So just again tomorrow, we have rain and rumble chances in the morning, then we get hot and humid, and then it's that afternoon threat for the thunderstorms. That's the one we're going to have to watch for. Here's your Union Home Mortgage forecast. Upper 80s to near 90 tomorrow. Woo, hot, right? And then we flip it. 60s with showers off of Lake Erie on Thursday. We're going to stay cool, but we're drying out for Friday and Saturday. The weather looks phenomenally fall-like. And then by Sunday, we'll throw a few more scattered shower chances into the forecast as another disturbance comes through. But definitely tomorrow is going to remind you of July, and then it's like September, October hits its full force on Thursday.
When you talk about tomorrow, I find myself going, na 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 na. No, don't even want to hear it.
Yeah,
But
we'll see what happens.
Yeah, thanks for the heads up.
Yep, thanks.